This, ladies and gentlemen, is the unboxing of the Firecast A01 microphone. Currently it's on offer in Curry's PC World, around about £12 to £15. I bought one as a little bit of a test, so yeah, let's get to it. So to start with, we'll look at the box. As you can see, it's got a dedicated mute button, which I'll show you shortly. Detachable tripod, adjustable microphone, tripod. Frequency response is kind of basic, so get that there. And a cardioid polar pattern. Honestly, I have no idea what that is, so I'm going to have to Google that. And yeah, let's look in the box. Good, 100% recycled packaging. That's the front, and then just normal branding on the side. So if we open up the box, yeah, we do one hand. Job cut. Okay, that was actually quite difficult with two hands, but there we go. So we got the inside box, it's just a sleeve, and okay, so we got the microphone itself. Package as well. Do paper. It's really hard to difficult with one hand. So that's the microphone itself. The micro USB on the back with a audio out 3.5mm. What does it say back here? Basic office information and the model number. DSG Retail Limited, which is Curry's PC World. And there we go, dedicated microphone button. Sounds a little cheap. Well, it is cheap to be fair, but there's no, it's not a nice feel to it. It's just a click on, click off, which is fine because at the end of the day, it is just a mute button with an LED as by here, which I'll show you later as well. Okay, let's have a look at what else is in the box. We have the tripod, nicely done. Okay. There we have, it's tight. All of this packaging has been super tight. 2 seconds. Okay, so inside this little thing was the tripod. Quite an odd looking little thing. Quite a thick kind of thread there. Sorry, not so much a thread, but the actual stubby bit on top. Yeah, it's typical push to push out the legs. There we go. Place that there. And then we've got a probably, it looks like a meter cable. Maybe even 2 meter. Paper. I'd probably say that was a meter. I'll measure that later. So then this just pops onto there. This I can do with one hand, looks like. That's been the easiest thing yet. And there we go. So we got the tilt. It doesn't swivel, but obviously you just move the unit for that. Could do with tightening a little bit, so I might do that as well. But yeah, there we go. So there it is. It is actually a 1 meter cable. That's obviously useful for the people who've got the desktop or laptop far away from their monitor or from their seated position. So yeah, I think 1 meter is probably decent. 2 meters may have been nice, but it's extra cost for the manufacturer then. So yeah, I think 1 meter is a nice compromise. Better than half a meter. Half a meter would not have been any good. So excellent. Let's give it a whirl. This is a test with the C920 HD webcam for the Firecast A01 unboxing and review. Recording with the Sennheiser MB660
for the Firecast A01 unboxing and review.
This is a recording on the Firecast A01 out of the box unboxing and review. This is a recording with the Firecast A01 with slightly modified settings to my preference on the review for and unboxing of the Firecast. And this is a recording of me rather close to the microphone itself. So as you can tell, it's actually quite clear. Considering the price of this, it's I bought it for around about £15. It's now on offer for £12.99, I believe. I got the link from hotukdeals.co.uk. Yeah, I think you should probably check it out. We'll switch back to video now. This is where I took the first microphone sample from the microphone. So it was a little bit quiet, but yeah, I can move it forward when need be. But you've got your little LED back here and the mute button. Just goes. Like I said, I already did the clip test before. It does seem a bit cheap, but at the end of the day, for what it is, you know, £15. I can't really knock it, to be honest. So yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty good purchase. We'll obviously see how it goes, and I'll use it for the next couple of days. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like it and subscribe if you want more general reviews on certain items like this. I do need to do a review on this monitor at some point. It's the electric 4K 144Hz IPS display. It's currently on offer on Laptops Direct, so I got another one coming, so I'll do a review and unboxing of that one. Right, thank you very much, and catch you later.